What's good, yeah? So, we on the way to work, but we stopped real quick at our homie's load shop to drop off the wheels that we were sandblasting. And let me show you what he got going on right now. So, man, this is the project that he got going on. She's nice. She is nice. Um, this one, I know it will be for sale or is on sale right now. He's gonna do new engine, transmission. Man, the paint job is really good. We were talking about trading in one of my rides for this one, but man, I got too many projects, and this is a full-on project, man. Don't get me wrong, she's a beauty, but man, another project. This is too big of a project for me, to be honest with you. Woo, man. Friday morning, man, I start putting this thing together before I even realized that I wasn't filming. But man, you gotta love to hate this Texas weather, man. You wake up in the 40s, 2 hours later it's gonna be in the 80s, man. I don't even know what the fuck am I supposed to be wearing right now. But here it goes, man. I got the parts yesterday. I think, you know what? I'm gonna put the clip right now. Hold up, man. Hold up, man. Hold up. It's gonna give you a little bit of taste of what we got going on. Check this out. Oh my God, I got a big smile on my face. Bow, bow. What you think, man? What you think? I think she's gonna be sexy. Yep. I'm thinking about you doing putting back all the OG parts on the engine. After I finish painting everything, I'm gonna switch them out and put the parts that I'm gonna use. The reason why is I don't wanna, put primer or anything on them. The other parts I can use sandblast it and paint it back. But yeah, man. Let's see what we get done today. So, man, if you're watching the channel right now, you got any projects going on? What's your project, man? What's your favorite car? Comment down below, man. Let me know. I know I've been working on my rides, and this is some of the rides that I like. My dream car was the 56. Glass House, she's my main baby. Fell in love with that car. But what about you, man? What you got going on? Hey, Mexican engineering. There it goes. Now it's gonna hold. Oh shit. We got something going on, man. It's holding. We good. I'm not gonna lie, man. I've been trying to do these since last week, because now that I know he's here, we're finally gonna start working on her. And one of the things is I can't be moving this engine back and forward that much because I don't want it to flick. So now I definitely gonna have to start working on it. So, man, I can't wait. I can't wait. Again, man, I say it every time, I'm not a mechanic. I just like working on my cars. Sometimes I make expensive mistakes, but I want to learn, man. I want to learn. I want to be able to tell people that I work on my cars. You know, I don't know. Ooh. Right here. Man, we're definitely gonna have to clean this up. Gotta get rid of that blue. Or should we buy a new one? Nah, we can reuse this one. The only thing that I'm afraid of, we should be fine. I don't know, man. Should I sandblast this? Or just clean it out real good? The reason why is the sand is, well, the blast media is really light. So if I sandblast this guy right here, I gotta make sure it's super clean while I'm done. So I might be able to sandblast it and then just heat it up with a brake cleaner to make sure everything is out. We might do that. So man, we just done broke the bank, man. I was debating about cleaning the oil pan. So I came to see how much it will be and to do the warranty on all my parts. So we get a new water pump, we get a new starter, everything was lifetime warranty. So since we put a new engine, we're gonna warranty everything out. Everything is gonna be here today after 2. I'm gonna be at work at that time. But man, we done broke the bank, man. I came for one thing and I'm picking up a lot later on today. You know, as you're seeing, I cleaned up my upper and lowers, paint them, but that's not gonna do anything, man. So we just ordered all the bushings. We're gonna do upper, lower control arms, shocks, everything, the whole suspension in the front. So more work, man, but the wagon is gonna be running good. So let's see how it goes. Let's get back to work. What's good, YouTube? So we are back Saturday evening, man. Man, I have to cut the grass. I've been up since 7. Been cutting down the grass, but man, we got a lot of land. We're blessed, man. We got a lot of land, but to keep everything up clean, it takes about half a day. Not really. Sometimes a little bit longer, depending on how it is. But anyways, man, it's around 12 right now. It's around noon. So we're barely gonna start working on the wagon. The first thing I wanna do, I wanna spray everything with brake cleaner, man. That way I can get rid of all this oil that came from the machine shop. Then we're gonna wipe it down. Then we're gonna heat it up. Then we're gonna start painting it, man. So it's gonna be a process. I'm probably not gonna put you through everything, but we're gonna start doing something, man. So let's go. Trying to get rid of all this, man. You see this? One of the things that our Uncle Tom was talking about on his video was that even though you clean this up, man, it's still something underneath. And let me show you what he was talking about. See that? So you gotta get rid of all of that. That way whenever you do the primer, it holds better. So for primer, we're gonna be using the rusty metal primer. That's the one that he recommended. So again, we're gonna do his process. Hopefully everything is good. So man, we already finished priming the engine, well, the block. And before we continue, man, let me show you what I got, man. So we ended up going to O'Reilly's. We got the upper control arms. We got all the bushings. Some reason the upper control arms was cheaper than buying the pieces separate. So we just went and bought the whole thing together. I got the new water pump. I got the new starter. I got a new fuel pump. Everything was under warranty, lifetime warranty. So I just went in, took everything, swapped everything brand new. That way we can put them in the car. We also gonna put a new oil pan. That's what it is right here. Oil pan for the engine. That way we don't have to clean that one up. We're still gonna keep that one. I like keeping spare parts, just in case I need them some later on. But let me show you the block real quick. Wow, so y'all can see we only painted the block and the heads, man. I might do a second coat, I'm not sure yet, but we gotta wait for this one to dry. While it's drying, we gotta clean up all these mess that we have over here, man. I got tools everywhere. I did not have this toolbox before. I needed a place to put my tools. You can see, got all my tools in boxes. That's no bueno. I got some shelves over there. I got more tools out there. But the problem is, I got shit everywhere, man. I gotta organize everything. That way I can work better. Again, we're gonna be working on the suspension. Not right now. We're gonna organize shop first, and then we're gonna start working. So, again, a little bit of the update what we got going on today. Block is primary already. We're gonna let it sit until tomorrow, and hopefully we get more progress tomorrow after work, man. So I'm gonna kill this video here, man. That way y'all can see this update. I'm gonna clean up shop, and I'll get more whenever I get more progress. Thank you for watching.